The mindset of someone who's going to be innovating is a mix of curiosity, creativity, and a desire to do something significant. I think you put those together and you'll get these people to sit there and stay up at night thinking about, how can you make this better? How can I design, a better version of something? And we love those people. I mean, that's us. I'm André Marziali. I'm director of the Engineering Physics program here at UBC. Engineering physics really should be thought of as a dual degree. I mean, you get one piece of paper when you graduate, but fundamentally, if you go through engineering physics, you get an honors physics degree and an engineering degree, all packed within 5 years.
My name's Yannicka Perks, and I am a fifth-year engineering physics student. I actually started off in arts. I really liked physics, and I also was quite interested in getting sort of practical, hands-on knowledge. I've been involved with a student robotics team. I'm actually the team captain. We're basically a 50-person robotics team that makes autonomous robots that navigate around obstacle courses.
One of the things in engineering physics is that you work in teams a lot. There's a lot of group projects, and there's also a big emphasis on being able to do presentations and speaking. You can't just have the technical ability, you also need to be able to communicate with the team. My name is Scott. I'm in the electrical option of engineering physics. The amount of resources available to engineering physics students is incredible. We have water jet cutters, we have some of the best prototyping equipment available to any students. I was very surprised that we had all those things available to us.
If you're a young entrepreneur and you have some crazy idea, but you have no way of obviously raising money to try to build it, we have all the tools for you to do that, and we have experts, myself and several other staff members that can help you develop what you need, and at the same time get course credit for it. Our students are able to form teams within the program, maybe bring in a business student, and actually start companies. Boreal Genomics is an example of a company started by engineering physics people. It's not in the traditional field of physics that you might expect. We actually do cancer diagnostics. It was the breadth of our engineering training that allowed us to get together and take these new ideas that we had in the physics of molecules and electrophoresis and actually translate them into products.
It's definitely a really challenging program. You have to be the type of person that's very persistent and ready to take on new goals.
It's not a question of being the person in your class that's getting 98% in math. That's not what puts you apart for engineering physics. I think it's more a question of passion towards innovation and technology. We do interview every one of our students and I hear their stories. And more often than not, the common element in their stories is they want to do something significant.
I think when I graduate engineering physics, I will know that I have the confidence to do just about anything that I want to do afterwards.
There's students going off to the top graduate schools in the States. There's students working at NASA, the European Space Agency, all sorts of different places.
These students are sought after. It's incredible. We have companies that try to hire them before they've graduated. We'd like to put our time as instructors into students that we think are going to better society, and that's leaders.